Hi, my name is Heidi, and today I'm going to be talking about Google Drive. So what is Google Drive? Google Drive is a program that allows its users to upload files and then access them from any location. It's protected by AE5256 or AE5128 encryption, and it's secure. There's 15 gigabytes of storage that come with it for free, or you can pay to add more, and I think it's affordable. I think it's under $20. How does it work? It can be used with other Google products such as Google Office Docs or Sheets. So you can, like, say, create a Google Doc, and then you can work on it with different people, which is really cool. So all you have to do is send it to them and give them permission to edit it. And then you guys can be working on the same project. So it's useful for group projects within businesses, but it's also useful for school. And then it allows you to share files with teammates, and it also has a search feature that allows you to easily find what you're looking for. So you can just type in what you want to find, like say it's your resume. So you type that in and then you just find it. It's also good for file backup. So you can hear my dogs playing in the background, sorry. This is a picture of a Google Drive, so you'd hit new to add files. There's a search feature at the top. I'm going to have a tutorial later. Brief history of Google. So it was founded by two students called Larry Page and Sergey Brin. They were students at Stanford University. It started in their dorm room, and they eventually moved it to a garage, and eventually it became what it is today. In 1998, it became Google Incorporated when Andy Beltelsam invested in it and became co-founder. And Google Drive wasn't released until April 26, 2017, so it's a fairly new thing. How can Google Drive be used for business? It allows file sharing, so you can like make team projects and different people can work on it. And then it also allows you to make sure that everyone knows what's going on and what's expected, so you can like send out messages and like, I don't know, maybe you made a brochure and you wanted to send it out to all your employees. Then it also has large amounts of storage, so you can upload all your files, and instead of taking space on your computer system, it can just be stored on Google Drive. But it's also good for file backup in case your computer crashes, and you can access it from anywhere, so it's really useful. So Google Drive for Business continued. It prevents loss of important data, so it's good for file backup, as I was discussing. And it makes it possible to send large files via Gmail, which is really good because a lot of emails you can't send very big files. So this makes it really useful and unique. And then you can sync files on all devices within your establishment. And again, it's safe and secure. So here I'm going to show you how to use Google Drive, or at least give you an introduction to it. So if you want to add a file, you hit New, and then you hit File Upload, and then a window will pop up and you can select whatever file you want to do. Then if you want to search for something, you can search up here. So I don't really know what to search for, but that's how you search. If you want to see what you've deleted, you click Trash. You can see files that people have shared with you. This is all just school stuff. You can see what you have put into your drive by scrolling. Up here you can create a Google Docs. And then it'll appear eventually. Once you like save it, it'll just appear in your Google Drive. So here's the amount of storage you've used, and you can get more storage. So like if you have like a lot of need for Google Drive with your business, you can get more storage, and it's fairly cheap, like under $20. So yeah, Google Drive is fairly useful and fairly easy to use. And that is a Google Drive tutorial. My computer's a little bit slow, so I apologize. To summarize, Google Drive is a useful cloud storage device that allows file sharing, and it's great for businesses. So the pros of Google Drive: it can be used with different file types, so you can upload MP3s, JPEG, PowerPoints, and documents, and others. And you can access the files from anywhere where you have internet. It's useful for working on group projects because different people can collaborate and edit documents. And it comes with 15 gigabytes of storage for free. So the cons of Google Drive: you need internet to use it, so if you don't have internet you can't access your files. It can be slow to upload or download files, and you need to pay for extra storage. And you can really only share stuff with people who have Gmail or a Google account. Here's the references.